Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can highlight the cells by conditional formatting. Because this is the series for the beginner, so we will talk on very basics of conditional formatting. If you want to learn the advanced conditional formatting, you can check out the advanced playlist. Okay, so here you first of all I will tell you about the data, his dates, name, their sale, and percentage. So first of all I will make it sort out from largest to smallest. Okay, and now I will select my data, okay, on which basis I want to show the conditional formatting. So after that I will go to conditional formatting, and here I will just show you the color scheme, that how you can select from here. Okay, it's green, yellow, and red. I will make select it, and it's showing 85% at the top, and 78% is a medium, showing the yellow color, and 66 is at bottom, which is showing the red color. So this is the way by which you can highlight your cells by conditional formatting. If I want to remove the conditional formatting again, I will select my range, and from here clear the rules from selected cell or clear the rules from entire cells. It depends on you by which you will. Okay, so here I will suggest you to make clear rules from selected cells, so the conditional formatting will be managed. So this is the way by which you can highlight your cells by conditional formatting. So this is all for this tutorial, and the one more thing that you have to do, you have to subscribe my channel for more videos. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you.